Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Bitcoin on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and purchase Bitcoin on Cash App. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you're going to click onto Cash App. Next, what you're going to do is that on the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to click on the house icon. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Bitcoin underneath where it says Save and Invest. So here is where you're going to access your Bitcoin wallet. Next, you're going to click on buy, and then this is the one-time order that you're going to place with Bitcoin. So let's pretend that we want to order $10 worth of Bitcoin. Click on next, verify your ID, and then from here, you're just going to go ahead and confirm that you want to go ahead and buy Bitcoin. Now, if you don't see this option, it's most likely because you don't have your bank connected to Cash App just yet. In order to do that, you want to click on the profile icon on the upper right-hand corner, and then click where it says linked banks. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and buy Bitcoin on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.